After a bilateral meeting between Indian Foreign Minister and his Argentinian counterpart in Argentina, a joint press statement issued by both sides mentioned that Argentina is interested in India's Tejas light combat aircraft. The joint statement also said that India and Argentina are also exploring payment mechanism in local currencies. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is heading to Egypt next month for a bilateral meeting with his Egyptian counterpart, with the focus on the possibility of export of the Tejas aircraft with Astra Mark 1 missiles that could meet Egypt's operational requirements. Hindustan Aeronautics has offered to create a Tejas production facility in Egypt, and Egypt is interested in the offer, as it will help it to diversify its fleet and evade political constraints and the strings that come attached with defense acquisitions. The Indian Army has finalized the General Staff quality requirements for the light tank and will approach the Defense Ministry in early September for the acceptance of necessity for 350 light tanks under the project Zorawar, and the Army expects the production of a prototype and beginning of trials in 3 years from the sanction of the project. The most advanced project for an indigenous light tank is being undertaken by the DRDO and Larsen & Toubro, that will be ready by 2023. The DRDO is moving forward with the integration and certification of the new wideband 360-degree next-generation radar warning receiver on the Su-30 fighter jet, which will be a significant improvement over existing DR-118 radar warning receiver. The idea is to integrate this next-generation radar warning receiver on a Su-30 aircraft and complete the certification process in 12 months. The Indian Army has announced that it has inducted and deployed 2 different types of swarm drones along the borders with Pakistan and China that have been procured from 2 Indian companies, New Space Research and Technologies and Rafi Fibra Private Limited, that will help to gather intelligence and strike operations. The contract for these swarm drones was signed in September last year, and the delivery was completed recently. The Indian Navy has received the first ever 100% indigenously produced 30mm gun ammunition that will be used in AK-630 close-in weapon system. It has been produced by private sector firm Economic Explosives Limited, and the delivery has been completed successfully within a short time period of 12 months. Defense Ministry recently cleared key changes in the Project 75I tender related to liability clause, but no changes have been made in the requirement of a sea-proven AIP system, which means that only Germany and South Korea are the 2 contenders left in the project. France, Russia and Sweden have already exited the contest, and the Spanish offer of SAT+ submarine also hangs in balance, since the 3rd SAT+ submarine to be delivered to the Spanish Navy in 2026 will be the first to get an AIP system. The Vice Chief of the Indian Navy has said that the deal for 30 Predator drones will be signed soon under a government-to-government deal through foreign military sales route, and the Indian Navy is the lead service for the procurement of these drones. The US side has offered technology to enable India to build high-altitude long-endurance drones locally in India.
Omar dropped it.